Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well, and welcome to another video. So today I just want to share with you a recent purchase from Lidl. It represents, or they represent, absolutely superb value for money and have tremendous utility. I'll just spin the camera around. So as we can see then, this is a Parkside crowbar set. Get a couple in here. A longer one and a shorter one. Wowzers. Tells you a little bit about the guarantee. Quite frankly, it's not something you're going to need instructions for, is it? Beautiful. So as we can see, this is a hexagonal shape, isn't it? Okay, because it can be round, it can be flat. Emphasis actually 600 millimeters. Beautiful. It's got these protective caps on the end, if we can get them off. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm not going to explain what these are for, because clearly if you don't know, then you're probably not old enough to watch this video, are you? So you need to go back to your Xbox. Now this one here, as we can see, is a longer version, and this is 900 millimeters long. I will of course put the imperial conversions on the screen. Quite hard to get off, which is actually not a bad thing, because sometimes they just fall off, and when you get these things, they're not in pristine condition, are they? So it looks as if it's got a few scratches on it, but look, you know, we're not going to whinge about that, are we? Because they're not going to be in this sort of condition for too long a period. So these were purchased a few days ago. As I say, I got them from Lidl, and the cost of these was £9.99. I mean, I think that's an outstanding buy. Are they going to be the best or the strongest crowbars? No, they're not, because obviously that will be reflected in the price. However, I think we can say with a great deal of certainty that they're going to be adequate for most purposes, aren't they? So these do have a nice weight to them without being too heavy and too cumbersome. So that's something which you could carry around without too much of a problem for an extended period of time. So that's a nice little piece of kit. The larger one is obviously going to be heavier, but again, the weight isn't, it's not unmanageable. This is something which you can, you know, wield quite readily. You don't need to be a bodybuilder to utilise it. Yeah, all in all, I'm happy with these. According to this, they're made by a firm called Grizzly Tools. Looks like a German company. Yeah, Grizzly Tools in Germany. Super duper. So there we go then, folks. There's not much more to say about a crowbar, is there, to be honest with you. So thank you for watching. I do appreciate it, as always. And I'll upload some more videos very shortly. You take care, and thanks again for dropping by. Bye-bye.